Hi everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. My name is Ram. I'm DevOps and Cloud Trainer. Yeah, recently we have started one new batch which is Multicloud with DevOps batch, which was started in 3rd July. Yeah, already 2 demos completed, right? So DevOps introduction and also technical questions, general questions, right? In first demo, DevOps introduction, we covered what is DevOps, why DevOps, what is the automation, so why the project teams are looking for automation tools, or what are the activities, roles, responsibilities. These are all we discussed, right? In the second session, technical questions, general questions we discussed, right, which are very important. So those who are not attended so far, right, you can go through the recording session. So we provide you recording sessions. So both the demo recording sessions. So from today onwards, we are going to start cloud introduction, right? So today's session is cloud introduction. So what is cloud? Why the project teams are looking for cloud infrastructure? So what is cost saving? So why the companies are looking for cloud, right? So these are all will be covered today. So today's session is very, very important. Don't miss the session today, right? Yeah, so the WhatsApp group already created. People are added into WhatsApp group. If you are interested, you can make the fee. You'll get the account details today and you can add into WhatsApp group. Fine. Yeah, today's session is very, very important session. Yeah, so today we are going to work on cloud infrastructure, cloud introduction. Okay. So yeah, this demo is very, very important demo. So you can attend. So you can ping me, you can call me, WhatsApp me. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me so that we'll discuss. I clear your questions. Fine. Today's session is very, very important. Don't miss the session today. Fine. Thank you all.